Hi, I'm Marley Sims, and I'm going to tell you about my landscape architecture senior project. My project is located in the city of Huntington Beach, California. The site is adjacent to the Bolsa Chica wetlands and Pacific Coast Highway. The oil boom began in Huntington Beach in the 1920s, but this area began drilling in 1940 and continues to have active oil operations today. The presence of the oil industry has led to the deterioration of the site, including the introduction of contaminants and pollutants. My goal is to remove the current oil operations, clean up the site, and implement a natural preserve. The following images are taken from the site and reveal the seasonal ponds, wetland habitat, and topography changes. Research has been a major component of my project. This infographic explains how plants, through the process of phytoremediation, can uptake certain chemicals and pollutants, resulting in clean soil. Specific plants' roots and foliage are capable of removing contaminants through microbial degradation, evapotranspiration, and oxygen release. This graph represents the sizes of the ponds on site, their color, and what types of contaminants are found in each pond. The presented image depicts the top-rated California native plant species used to clean brownfields through phytoremediation. Each color is tied to a certain plant species. The graph displays 3 chemicals the plants are able to clean up and what medium they achieve this through. For programmatic purposes, I've decided to split my project up into 2 portions. The largest area will become restored wetlands, where a smaller part of the site will be a bit more developed. The wetland portion of the site will go through a series of cleanup processes. The progression of these processes are depicted over 5-year intervals. This section is cut through a typical area of the wetlands. It shows the relationships of plants, wildlife, and the built environment. Taking inspiration from Red Ribbon Park, I would like to achieve a minimalistic approach to the design. The southernmost portion of the site is Oilfield Park. I considered developing a shopping center in this area, but after feedback from the local community, I've decided it would be more appropriate to have an interpretive center, pedestrian trails, and a central gathering space. The simple forms and use of materials in Keys Park are examples of the aesthetics I would like to utilize. The history of the site is an extremely important aspect that I would love to tie into the design, like the example of Landschaft Park. Overall, the site has a great opportunity to be brought back to its original beauty and provide a space for the community and visitors to enjoy. The next step I plan on taking to further develop my project is to dig deeper in research. This research entails looking into the phytoremediation process, discovering what plants would work best for the contaminants in my site, and what to do with the plants after they soak up all of the chemicals. I would also like to continue refining my concept development and digitally model the progress of remediation on the site. I know this will be a challenge, but I'm looking forward to providing the Huntington Beach community with the natural open space it has been lacking.